Hello, hello everyone. Everyone is able to hear me. Can you just check and let me know? दिख रहा है दिख रहा है हेलो हेलो दिख रहा है everyone is able to hear दिख रहा है हेलो हेलो दिख रहा है everyone is able to hear दिख रहा है हेलो हेलो दिख रहा है everyone is able okay. Let's see YouTube channel. So you can just check it out if you have not watched my video. Okay. So let me check. Let me see. Okay. So let me check. Let me see. So let me check. Okay. Everyone is able to hear? Everyone is able to hear? Everyone is able to hear? Okay. Everyone is able to hear? Okay. So let's start. Let's get started. Streaming. Everyone is able to hear? So, okay. In previous video, like I have already recorded related to. Let's get started. Related to the Google Antigravity, right? So in this video we'll be going to discuss in this in previous video like I have already what we will be going to do is we will be going to look into uh, documentation, okay, related to the Google like what this features. So in this video we'll be going to discuss in this previous live like okay, so what we saw this one we did not saw the documentation features. Okay, exactly. Like what this features. So what this agent will be going to provide is like agent is mainly a functionality with Google Antigravity. It is a multi-step reasoning system powered by Frontier LLM that can reason over your existing code. Okay, so it is giving wide range of tools including browser and communicate with the user through tasks. Mainly a functionality with Google Antigravity. So they have given the reasoning model, tools, certificate and knowledge, and they have a customization agent mode settings, NCP, rules and workflows. So how you can do that? Let me show you that as well. Okay. Deal with the conversation agent manager or something. Okay, so agent they are providing in the previous video also I just showed you that they are providing this reasoning model like Gemini 3 Pro High, Gemini 3 Pro Low, Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5 Thinking, GPT OSS Model X, right? So they have task groups where you can create this particular plan, and they have a browser sub agent, so you can try to do that as well. So let me show you the Google Anti-Gravity one by showing right. So you have task groups, yeah, where you can create this particular plan, and they have a browser sub agent, so you can try to. So if you see here now, so there is multiple agents over here, right? So as in the documentation, they are providing the planning, pass mode. So whenever we wanted to task, like execute the task directly, so we can do this particularly. So if you see here, so if we just show here, now, so there is customization, MCP servers. So they have MCP servers over a dart. They have Firebase, BigQuery, and all those stuff, right? So let's suppose you wanted to use this, you can connect this type kind of a MCP server also. If you wanted to use Notion, you can do that as well, right? So they have multiple things to do it for that. Okay, so there are multiple things you can do that. You can connect this type kind of a MCP server. Okay, so there are multiple things you can do parallel. Okay, so these are the things to do it for that. Let me show you what you can exactly. Let's say, let me take my workspace. Things you can do parallel. Anti-gravity, and calculator app. Let me show you what you can exactly. So if you just tell that now, so it will be better feasible for you. Let's suppose what this particular project is all about. Can you just tell me what is this project is all about? So just I am just trying to show you and walk you through that. And here MCP, this particular project is all about MCP servers. Let's suppose I wanted to search on Next.js. Let's suppose I wanted to use Java. There's no MCP stored here. Here MCP, Looker, Dataplex, MCP, Toolbox, NoSQL, GitHub MCP, Model Context Protocol, browser and query code, search the files, analyze the code. So let's say, let me save it as one toolbox, initialize. We wanted to give the token here. Okay. So what it will do is, it will be reading our GitHub at code, space, and data. Okay, so and it will be going to pull up in the particular kind of data for us. Okay, so neon also they have. So if you wanted to search this one, if you wanted to install this, you can do that as well. Code, space, and data. So okay, they do this particular thing for us. The particular so this is what I wanted to show you. So in the next tomorrow's live live streaming, I will be gonna show you different kind of tools MCP. I told you about the MCP. What are the things are there? Okay, so GitHub kind of thing. Let me know so I can record this tomorrow's regarding the MCP integration as well. Okay, so MCP is like acts a bridge between the anti-gravity and product development environment about the MCP. Instead of manually pasting the context like database schema or blocks into the editor, MCP allows the anti-gravity to fetch the information directly when needed. So in this core features context resources, like AI can read the data from connected MCP servers to inform its suggestion what is happening in your neon or Supabase schema to suggest the correct table MCP column names. So when debugging, the editor can pull up the recent build logs from an Netlify on Hero 4. So that is what this can be done. Okay, so let me know what suggestion is that you are looking forward. So we can look into it. We'll build a to-do application and connecting with the neon database or some Netlify on Hero 4. So you can access the store using MCP store panel. Okay, so I have already showed it to you. They have given the documentation over here. Look into it. We'll build a to-do application. Super complexity asks are there. Redis kind of a thing they have given. Stripe is there. Supabase is also there. If you just go over here, no? So they just search for Supabase. They have, right? So if you want to search for Prisma, they have Prisma and server also is available here. So instead of telling that this is the issue I am facing, you can just directly connect through an API they have using model context protocol. Okay, so one LLM talks with another LLM by using this particular MCP convention you can do it. Okay, so this is one of the coolest thing which I noticed. One of the things in the Google anti-gravity. I will discuss tomorrow about the artifacts. What is artifact and what this agent will going to do it for us. So okay, so screenshot also you can open and you can show it to them. Browser recordings. I don't know. It is just a newer thing for us. So artifacts I need to try out and I will going to tell you this particular thing. So one by one we will be trying to do it. So I have already showed you this task list. Whenever you share one particular task to an agent, so this kind of a checklist kind of a thing will come, right? So implementation plan. Implementation plan also is going to give it to you. You just have to review it and you have to just approve for that. Okay. So another thing is the screenshots on this and all checklist. So implementation plan. There is a knowledge. Okay, so there is a tab where you can get to know what the things they have done. Agent side panel is also available. Okay, they have workspace, they have playground over here. There is a terminal associated with it. There is a files associated with it. There is a Chrome extension associated with it. Okay, so these are the things I feel. I don't have to give a lot of details around it, but it is the same what things is all about. So let me know in the comment section folks. So how these things you liked a lot or not. So like I already explained these are the one video. So whatever the things is lot of details around it, but it is the same what yeah, so whatever the documentation is available, that is the same that I have already explained as well. So there are different blog articles as well. So I will just show you. And in tomorrow's part, what I will be gonna do that is I will be learning a lot of things. I will be sharing, keep on sharing this particular kind of a workflows throughout in my channel lecture. So you can also can learn from through these videos. Okay, so in the following series, what I will be going to do it is I will be keep on posting one kind of an automation workflows so that you can also learn from that. Okay, so that's it from my side. So have a great day. I will keep it each and every day. I will keep my post and status very up to the crisp and up to the short so that everyone can understand. So that you can also learn from that. Okay, so that's it from my side. So